Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Coaster Plus Music 19. This is Gabriel, and we are checking back in for another Iron Menace construction update. And this time, as you can see, they've completed the tilted loop, and so let's go check it out. As you can see, the support columns for the final heel or for the whole rest of the layout, I should say, started to go up, and they fully repainted Cedar Creek flyers for the retheme to empty buckets. There are more track pieces right there for the corkscrew. That tilted loop looks tall.